I went to sleep at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 9:36. Got some shower soap from 7-Eleven last night. 7 and I Premium Lifestyle. They really have everything you need at 7-Eleven. So of course the plan for today is I'm going to eat breakfast here with whatever I have left in the fridge. But overall, still want it to be a relaxed day because tomorrow we're heading to Yokohama. So I'm gonna get ready and shower, shave, and eat. Okay, this cheap disposable razor actually works really well. So showered, shaved, and now it's, what time is it? 10:30. Yeah, I know I kind of wasted an hour I'm slow in the morning. But yeah, we're gonna eat and then come back before dinner because dinner is gonna be at Denny's tonight. I'm so excited for that. Denny's is like the best place to eat here. And it's like more upscale than like the Denny's in America at least. But it is expensive here for locals, but that's whatever. It's so good. And after Denny's, or depending on when I come back, even more arcade at Taito Station, hopefully to win more prizes. So yeah, that's the plan. Alright, this is breakfast for today. Now I'm gonna try this chocolate cream and chocolate chips bread sandwich. Pudding I got last night. Pancake sandwiches I got from Family Mart. And then the 7 and I Castello with custard cream inside. Chocolate cream and chocolate chips sandwich. Not much to it. Chocolate cream, chocolate chips. It's good. It's decent. I prefer like when the bread is actually chocolate, which is what I usually get. But I've never tried this, so this time I did. Yeah, that's whatever. Maybe it would have been better if I didn't have it sitting in the fridge for 2 days. Or I guess a day. Pancake sandwiches from Family Mart. Maple and margarine. See that? Butter and syrup in there. Not a lot, but just enough. Pancakes are always so soft and fluffy. Just some right sweetness with the syrup in there. And the butter keeps like the pancakes moist. For 138 yen after tax, that's like 90 cents. So basically $1 for 2 of these. Kiri cheese cart. Oh, so it really does look like the picture. Look at that. That's like a really light cheesecake tart. I like this. This is, I don't remember how much it was, but this was good. This is good. The crust is buttery. The cheesecake is very light and airy. It really doesn't have like a strong flavor, as most like Japanese desserts aren't like heavy. They're always light. Castella with egg custard cream bun. 170 yen, so just over $1. Oh, that is real soft. So that's the picture of it, the cross section. This is like very soft. It's so light. Oh, it ripped so easily. There's the custard cream. The the bread is so soft. Like it won't even hold together. The custard cream isn't like sweet or anything really, but this tastes good. It's like those Japanese cheesecakes. If you haven't had it before, they're really light and airy and like bouncy. This is what this reminds me of. And then this I got from the market last night. Kyoto matcha latte, Starbucks. Of course, you get a straw. I will say Japanese packaging is very convenient and easy, but it sometimes does create a lot of waste. Like the McDonald's over here uses paper straws, and this is still like a plastic straw. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake this, but I like to kind of mix it a little bit before I drink it. Oh my god. There we go. So it is a green matcha latte. Cool. Exactly how a matcha latte should taste. Very good. Dang, I should have gotten another one. And then this pudding. It's probably just another like flan type of pudding, but I need a spoon. There we go. Looks like some red bean on there. It's like a red bean infused whipped cream, and like the pudding itself, it tastes just like a flan, like a watered down flan. Not a big fan of this red bean flavoring, but good thing it's small. So yeah, that's breakfast for today, and I definitely want some real food. So back to 7-Eleven. Okay, so get my Uber back. Got a Boss Rainbow coffee that's hot from the vending machine right outside. Got my change. Pasmo wallet. forgot I had this. But it's about 7 something. I took the Uber around like 6 something. So I got like an hour, rest of an hour, go to the mall, Alina's Mall, go to Toys R Us, buy some toy cars for my friends. And then we'll head to Denny's for dinner.
その時点でちょっとないでしょ。27歳の真っ暗。結構将来を考えてちゃんと人を選んでてほしい年なの。でしょ？ってなったら将来的に人を選んでたらずっとちゃんと大事に彼女を大事にしてたのに爆されてるんだけどあの人で。彼女はこれも付き合う。時代は彼女に違う男がいて、その男は大学時代から彼女と付き合ってたので、でも家変えてないからずっとその家に住んでるらしくて、だからそのこの同棲してたその部屋に結構強いんだね。あ、同棲もずっとしてたんだよ。もう付き合って1年ぐらいで結婚したんだから、住所してないんだけど。めちゃくちゃ仕事が遊んでる。やべえだろ、女もやべえだろってなかなか。28年住んでる。1個違いだもんさ。1年後輩だから。荷物を返してほしいから大事なメガネがちなみに、ペラペラお金の人に喋ってる小説かもで、あいつ。
Alright, so Denny's was pretty packed for a Sunday night. So I didn't want to film and disturb people. So it's like 9, almost 10 o'clock. Or just about 10 o'clock. But yeah, tight up for the next almost 2 hours until they close. Burning off dinner. And I'm not going to film this time either because today was a busy day. Okay, just got back from the arcade. My 17 orange ice. And a bunch of 100 yen coins because I lost track of time playing Pokemon Fremda, and each game takes like 10 minutes. And before I know it, they're playing that closing song that they're about to close in 15 minutes. So I finished up and left. But I also got a bunch of like NFC tags from the game. Battery. So I came here with only the Pikachu one. I mean, I had more, but the only good one I had was the Pikachu. And my trainer ID one. But I got a few like super rares. These purple ones, they're both Gardevoirs though. One's like the Radiant one or whatever. I got a Needle King, Needle Queen combo one. Just a bunch of like random. Like, I don't know what this is, but that one was like the boss Pokemon that I had to battle, and I caught it. Today was a terrible day for prizes. Just those 3 things. Not a big deal. No McDonald's tonight. No extra food tonight. I gotta wake up tomorrow feeling good and empty stomach because tomorrow is Yokohama for tomorrow, check-in is at 3 p.m. at the Intercontinental Yokohama Pier 8 or whatever. It was a 5-star hotel, now it's like a 4.5 star, but I found a good deal on it. I'll stay there overnight, and then Tuesday, so tomorrow's Monday, and then Tuesday is my birthday. So we'll be leaving Yokohama for a soba dinner. And then Wednesday, Thursday, the last 2 full days I have. Friday we fly back. Yeah, arcades was pretty disappointing prize-wise. And the only like car I got was like one of the cheap plastic ones that Takara Tommy makes, not like the metal ones. And I gave it to like a little kid because I don't know, why not? I don't need more cars. Well, I say that now, and then I forgot I bought 2 of them for my friend back home. Lexus 350 F Sport is new for this year, and then he wanted the GR models, and they only had the Corolla at Toys R Us. So I'll have to look out for the other GR models tomorrow and for the rest of my trip. And just time to go to sleep. See you tomorrow. One last thing I've noticed is that I have about 40,000 yen left, which is about $230, I guess. And originally when I got here, I withdrew 120,000 yen, which is about $700. But my trip last year, like I withdrew like 70,000 every day, and I spent like 60,000 every day. I'm glad I'm not spending as much money, but then again, last year I kind of just balled out because it was a big milestone birthday trip, and this time it's just more relaxed. Only like a couple reservations, one for a hotel, one for a restaurant, and that's it. Whereas last time it was like all reservations and all spending and whatnot. So glad to know I'll have some money when I get back home still. All right, now I'm going to sleep.